I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game. Him a react, we a watch.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? Amirrecords game here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Hink45. Yeah, man. Hink45 with Feel High featuring Amir. Amir at the production team. Amirrecords, big up yourself, my G. Amir at the production team. So, yeah, big up yourself, my fam. It's a music video. So, I can go check it out and find out what I'm going to do. Also, guys, a special big up to Pill Music album. Yeah, man, Pill Music album out. I don't have the link to that yet, but I'm gonna get it for you and drop it in the comment section so you can go check it out. Also, big up Bourbon Records. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. So yeah, Amirrecords, big up yourself. Hink45, big up yourself, my G. People, the whole team work together. Them have a whole heap of project I put out right now. Them have a whole heap of project I got drop right now. So just go and bear with them, man. A quality over quantity in the dog. So I can jump in the one and see where Hink. I said, let's go. Steel Mafia, big up yourself. Drizzy Image, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Only response with the visuals. I'm here, big up again, my G. Alright then. Dust Government. Video clean your fuck. Yeah. Alright. What one? So she wanna feel bitch wanna suck it cocky while me a drive. Slim dick pretty face a oshi. So she wanna fuck kill a must know a homie. Oh fuck up. So she wanna give me the guap 3000 while me a drive. So she want to give me the wet hook while me a drive. Slim thick, pretty face, oh she. More and more now. Alright, so she want to feel high. Bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. She want though. So she want to feel high. Pop and pill no me in my vibe. Wait a man, what she want though? She want to feel high. Bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. Slim thick, pretty face, oh she. So she want fuck kill a must know a homie. Alright. Fuck camera and tootie. Pass and go, you're looking for a groupie. Got too bad, bitch, I rock porn em. You must still a fuck one, bitch, me never own em. Man, bag a girl, I must feel like Bucklat. Fuck yeah, said to me. A link to the one I got left on the flat. Go check it out and say Jamaica race game and send you over there. Who sent you over there? Yes, man. Alright. So she want feel like bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. She want though. So she want feel like pop and pill no me in my vibe. Yeah. So she want feel like bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. Slim thick pretty face a oshi. So she want fuck kill a must know a homie. Moody a fuck camera and tootie. Pass and go, you're looking for a groupie. Got too bad, bitch, I rock porn em. You must still a fuck one, bitch, me never own em. Oh, Buckler, I got too bad, bitch, I rock porn em. Yo, what y'all said to me? Got too bad, bitch, I rock porn em. You must still a fuck one, bitch, me never own em. One bag of girl, I must feel like in a horror. Them I love your fucked up ways. Toxic, you fuck, me can't concentrate. Mama, me love your fucked up ways. Me love your toxicity. Big word. Big word. Me love your toxicity. Fucked up. Me can't concentrate. How you do to me? You know, say the wet where you give me that car when me a drive. Like in a horror, them I love your fucked up ways. Toxic, you fuck, me can't concentrate. Them I love your fucked up ways. Toxic, you fuck, me can't concentrate. Hey, I love your fucked up ways. Toxic, you fuck, me can't concentrate. So she want feel like bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. Yo, me catch you go carry the dog. So she want feel like pop and pill no me in my vibe. So she want feel like bitch want suck it cocky while me a drive. It's a movie. Slim thick pretty face a oshi. So she want fuck kill a must know a homie. Cruise control off at no man roll. Turn off your phone car nothing can post. Bucklat, cruise control, you know, man, roll. Mama, turn off your phone, because nothing can post. Remember, say me a star. Remember, say I mean him, Hink45. That's what the J said, not me. Remember, say, yo, nothing can post, mama. You see me? Yes, man. Turn off your phone when they're on stars, man. Because stars, that is what we are, man. I want to man. Cruise control off at no man roll. Turn off your phone, because nothing can post. Bring a friend from a friend, we say fuck you for your card. Pull up on my house, I'ma fuck out your trot. Demon free.
Bring a friend from what you say? One friend, two friend? What friend you want? Two? Alright. Mama, bring two friends from me one friend. Yeah. And turn up and fuck out your throat. Quick and fast. Hurry up, man. Quick. I'm shove me down in your esophagus. Blood clot big word. What me that? Yay!
No man, turn off your phone, car, nothing can post.
Yeah.
Bring a friend from a friend, we say fuck you for your card. Pull up on my house, I'ma fuck out your trot.
Yeah.
Demon free, I'ma spit in your mouth. Yeah, me love it to your ass, yeah. It'll shake up the place like earthquake. Yeah, me love it when you call up my name. Shoot my cock in your hole, make you ball up my name.
Yeah.
H-I-N-K, rest on your brain. Tell a man to leave, cause you're destined for change.
And say H-I-N-K, rest by your brain. Tell a man to leave, cause you're destined for change. Yeah, you want something new now. Remember say bird can't fly upon one wing, mama. You want something new. Remember say one hand can't clap. Tell the man if you move up here now, you want something new. Hink45 there by your brain. That's what the G say, not me.
Hink rest on your brain. Tell the man to leave, cause you're destined for change. Man, my girl, I'm up, feel like in a whorehouse. Them I love your fucked up ways. Toxic, you fuck my can't concentrate. Yeah, my love your fucked up ways. Feel like bitch can't suck it cocky while me a jive.
So she want feel like
pop and pill, no me in my vibe. So she want feel like bitch can't suck it cocky while me a jive. Slim thick pretty face a Ushi. So she want fuck killer must know a me. Star pants, big pants, full of pandy. Man a fuck pan bitch, man a had a my. Veneers pan teeth, yeah, from me look free.
Veneers pan teeth. Yeah, feel me look freak. Know what that? Yo, this bad. Do not disturb. Yo. Come here. Remember, say, that one I go pin down in the comment section. Go check it out. Yo. Wanna watch ya. This goes to prove. This proof to say the team where I work with Hink45 know the thing, bro. Look here. The thing uploading a 4K, bro. Like, you have so much options. 4K, HD. Yo, it's not every production team know about them something in the dog. So, the man I'm actually about quality over quantity, dog. That's not say your whole heap of work is in the making. For forward, you see me? Yeah, so big up Amirrecords, big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, big up Hink45, big up 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐿. Yes, man. Pill! Yeah, man. Pill, big up yourself for the album. We're there, you see me? And big up Bourbon Records. Yeah, man. Pill album, big up yourself. Bourbon Records, big up yourself. Yes, man. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Like me say, a link is going to be down there. Just click it and go over there and tell them I'm Jamaica 𝐻𝐍 and saying, you see me? Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Binds! I know say one nation I represent for Jamaica's worst game, man. Him a react, we a watch.